In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can speed up pictures on TikTok on your Android phone. So this looks slightly different on an Android to an iPhone. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That'll take you to the TikTok camera. Then you just want to tap on where it says templates over there. Once you're on the templates page, the ones that you can use to be able to speed up things is not that one. So I'll just find it real quick. Okay, so you can use this holiday switch effect, and I believe there is another one as well. I'll find it for you. This one here called pop like that. So for this example, I'll just use pop like that, and then you just tap on select photos. Select the photos that you want to use, just like that, and then you want to tap on OK at the bottom right hand corner. That'll just process all the photos for you. And it shows you this cool effect, and it's going to be sped up quite nicely. That looks pretty cool in my opinion. So these photos are now sped up, and like I said, there is another one that you can use that I showed you in the beginning. So that would be how you speed up pictures on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.